lawyer no chefrempo ewo mahoma no eso. Lawyer no pen pacho good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho net is saying.
Nyamiado.
All right. Mama Nancy say anope watch me with time no ekakra. Na enra Supreme Court ruling na wode ba ye efa political parties mo wo mayi mo senya mo fa so etomo aba yi titiru eye flag bearer eye members of parliament says our delegate system no eye unconstitutional enti our parties no mu biem na obi oye party member of good standing ono so ebetimi ato aba ni bi me ba cho dia edikan eye no kre says our delegate system no eye unconstitutional.
But from day one, I started a democracy. You know me who say, "Sir, system no, and ya dear a babuayen." Delegate system. The America phone introduce here.
Okay.
Some 200. Some started 1776. Now ya dear beer. It to me a buama. One we knew woman yet agent. Now we shall almost in a majority. That's almost kotua beni bia e de nsem bebre beba no wa penis bi ayi won wa firi mu ana me e delegate system ba ana Russia for so eye bi omu communist system and China for no your status go ha wundria wonto aba colonialism ba Ghana no abrofo no sa no be omu say property owning democracy that wunya obi a wo property ta say dan aya register wa ko school na wonto aba Mount Wabachre and Sana 1951 election, the first of its kind in Africa, universal adult suffrage. Medeba will question here will be semia, will be some said, constitutional and constitutional no. Near money unconstitutional no, and they say constitution nature say, Obibia will be in fear do much at the airco. Sabi wadwene mu da ho ti so ko gina won na e ka se woni baby a wode wonsa ebetim enti sa nipa e de ko age bia no etimi ato aba wo Ghana ne sadia adentina se pese ekoyi presidential candidate there you say elected party members no wo constituency ho wo region ho national ho any omo present or former members of parliament and you'll be our standing president pensa for no enkwa na what you mean say what we call primaries into your family primaries just wo at that level no and ekwa ni pobedi party no enim now yatiti in practice no ebetimi abase delegates no yamfa yenuanum NPP mfanya example kwa se delegates omukokoto abani nyina no me dey kan sam say eyebia 300,000 Ghana population near 35 million ebedu 2028 na registered voters no a omutumi to abani 22 million it is 22 million people here kwakoto abano within MPP ne emuba 300,000 na ye yiwo so munkonkoyi presidential candidate and nam say number no esano first and foremost no etietia MPP for na wa Ghana na kani nyina fa hudi yeso kire say wa ma won ho kwan mo mo amekire won wa adwene apart from say ni 300,000 no say Bawumia ne epeno na Kennedy ne epeno na say Dr. Duchum ene epeno wa ma yen kwan emeye amekire nti say me expand we ya nia ekire me say in Ghana no whether NPP or NDC or CPP no president pa baba ye so president no first and foremost no enya oman na eyi no na mo ma ye delegate bi na eyi post no upon the party na party no so impose no upon the oman no it is Ghana nyina ka so mo pew na se delegates ne ka se wo mo empewa wo ye hohia enyeye the best example maybe me ko kan no CPP for ringidi matter na nipa se wo kan no kura mensuo hwew Yemi be the Green Street. Or ne Brighter Kwete, a very astute Accra lawyer. Ghana Nibia in Green Street. Obi men can't no one normal baby na ba kupa American is on Ghana Casadia. And the Ghana so no more than 60% of the people who person who campaign na wutumi ka chi otherwise don't contest at all. Don't no na force well so shia chi Bawumia shia chi very important we say na me di to obi afo person who di president wa Ghana na wunti chi language na me sere o be bifa because over 60% of the people they want you to address them direct in the Chi language.
Yeah.
And the green seat anti-Chi be only brighter quite call premise, but a quite Chi at Zeba, at Encline, at Hausa, and Nasabi or Yan Clanny, a lawyer Nicasia, a woman who has a Obia any mono. Mr. Wa delegates and say, Omum Pebrighter quite, no more green seat. Obia soon said the same green seat and the Kwame Chroma, Nasimuba, Sammy Echo, primaries Nibia. Delegates and see womo empeno. Obia soon me say Dr. Parko syndrome and the Professor Jimambedu Akosa primaries. Again, ni piatin to a Parkosi, the candidate Professor Jimambedu Akosa no na Nkofo pen in politics because he's highly political. But CPP delegates can say womo empeno. Now in the end, affected party noa be in there. Anti-mestral delegate system no eti nipa fa ahudie so na ade a west kura no ma fa wo mra na ehia ma menka we ade a west kura for the delegate system no NSF to the extent that delegate system no ewo ho no eboa ma party bia mu no wo mu a wasika yetumi tete de ma delegates ade your friend bribe corruption vote buying. Because almost and yet to me, Bobi was kind of Emma Womusika boom, 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 boom. And you are known as a way young Chamua. In Keba was a over party bimu. No one could school, what some woman your BN what the side man bedu said the old NPP soa, Obiso to say Dr. Educhum, former education minister Nidie. I will be any to be any win near some, or better me about Suman. No more no what be sound who said we seek a saying. I will bet to media delegates and an abro will have what the end so. And do this, what this young when Yansan would media in a patch or to me that. Now, what Pio could test while known your friend in Yansani under the delegate system. Now, some perform petty so gold because of Siko one. Otumika kakabensam if you saw otumi aso obia so ne sika so obia so mesrel enne Supreme Court decision ne de aba say obi bia okuta party card no na kan ka say in good standing ne say one register ukuta party membership card 2 where say party dues na so mutuatua watuatua a party na certify ma kwan say a baby are yet to be and would to me to be. Sabana, it means that the whole Ghana party supporters in Akoto and no never Buama Obio Yesikanino. And I'm so to be Ura, a fear, Emma will be a Sikaninti, Nisikano, it will mean nothing. And then the Sikan end to mean yet she be, if he said 35 million people of Ghana. Out of which are NPP for NDC for a woman. If you be able to me, ma obia sikama sa winya Bill Gates. Want to me, ma obia sikama ni ye. Number 2, woma obia sikakura ma ni ye ya. Ajena wo obia tiri want to me sesano. Na mo eba ni delegates ne dia ye nyina hunia NPP for ye ya party bia so ya wo mu ye bi. So de bia wo hia wo mu you know their number. Ya de numbers ne bra ya fa ne album ya de show with them. Na wo to be meet one on one. Obegu kuro ba ko so ne ya sai wo mu agene. Ya kwa ha ne ya kwa mo aduane adi. Na no NPP for de ya te sa na nkofo bi say brande champ aka wo sika fabra ya hwehwa wo so wo de. No bi so come say Ken aka wo mesrel enne obi bia wotumi so kwa akoto bi nti sika enka hwe nimidie ene ni profata se otu franka ena eba na ne am ya se Supreme Court judgment ya mantem se bantam anka bia ni poye NPP presidential candidate bia kan yo no na ye de be man tensi na make kasa when president pay for 8 years into resources okutaro omo akani na obi ani ho a wo bi inti me pacha oni ayedi be e babua obia titiri young CPP for send be ko CPP delegate nation nti so obi ka say obrado wo mu aye so easy na di obi bia okuta CPP membership card no ebetuma akoto abani binti ya fa obrado ne bra me nhwe
lawyer wadaroma nam adwenkyere mu no senior Supreme Court here no to some members of parliament any presidential candidate pe no and then anka one siremu emko afom because all national executive regional executives and constituency executives and also secretary wo mo nkofo to fridge nyina o to TV any ade
Pacho ne waka no me da se titiri say members of parliament pona woka one who say Miami constituency abu ablekuma not dansuma obi obabi or standing on party bid eyi so a member say mebo niti okọ China no o make sure say what top fridge any iPhone e ama obi delegate bia ama yatuma no easily at the delegate level afa kokodru national level no minus yempel and a party no answer yempel party ni titiao at the during the general election the party ni titiao unti say delegate system in media emwa obia just say esikafo de bia no omutumi hurudi animu enade esikafo ni ehiafo ni obia be yepe na sanya wo kan no once say Supreme Court no ade aba eyo minor court batan ade aba say presidential and parliamentary election ni nyina no bi okuta membership card ne tumi ekokotu bi emre aso say party bia say yes CPP say yes NPP say yes PNC NDC will be members no a ewo mu no in political science a chance that the price of freedom is perpetual vigilance. Yes, I was sorry, be a sorry waka. No, but to me catch that party no at the lowest level, say, Sammy, Supreme Court Ashamra, say the president and the MP, Kwaya Befasu be you one, Ubi Okuta membership card, Biara, and the Tumiko so Abba. Nesadia, see a party chairman and so on. We are insisting, say you use the same method.
The same method.
I know, and some members in the team sorry. Now, one sorry, they are at the top level, no, they are united, whether NPP or NDC, at the top level, no, only no me, ya one year position, no crown, ye buy a dear no more, Ombelusu on position, go near Supreme Court judgment, we say so. And he said, my party member biara etie ye ne anopeya obi anfanche on terms especially MPP the fair krana omuguso toto aba enje ombekwa akoto enye late dia new chairman ye beyi ene sankofo ni nyina no wo mon kasa look Supreme Court judgment take effect dada no mo insist say ye ma obi akwanto abani bi anya sadia at the lowest level no senya wa wo kan ye disika na de beto na mirasu say ye jai sika ye de politics no se sika nko na ye politics dia ene ye Ghana ha apart from MPP ni NDC party bi enu we betumi adi enso if so omu enu na ewura aban mu pe omu bi enu na ekuta sika adechre ni adesai omu a ye de wo mu court from year France the year 2001 Akufo bedi ya besi ene no what is say the former minister bi and a former director bi akokoto a so who so nye CPP ni a PNC ni if you say ye intesti power da nti safu ekuta sika kasi abobon wasene mu nti Supreme Court judgment we ababoa ye nyina ama minor to me and we say we your campaign we NDC o ye dey nye usika na ye hwe
okay
at the lowest level no me pacha wo muntie say they should fight anya sa dia party mpanimfo ne da because obian who was the neighbor for man ni
ebeje ho ba lawyer enra ruling ni ba ye chi no wutie metie samia wuku kakra na metie honorable Ahmed Ibrahim it's like when munyina our problem with the ruling say advantage disadvantage ba kwa no mo kan wasem and say why na be fande sa eka no ediama political parties no and na honorable Ahmed Ibrahim so ka say ebema minority tribes no enya representatives various positions no emu
epacho omo ano na edika in practice no eni nyina so bia minority tribe nya representation or partisan say e ka eya omaya whether minority or majority no obi enu wanye represented onko yisi electoral commission obahu se kwan ye fa so create constituencies no eboa obi a to the extent say minority kura no sakanina constituency ni din ne de evaluate constituency abonsa na nkrofobia bese da bi fa dwira fa kan ye nso ye wo mu bi evaluate dwira wa na adwomorofo nso abeka na beda na evaluate adwomoro dwira constituency minority o hwan obi ani ho a ufiri ho na wo sori gina na ye hu se wo ye good a nipa ntoma a delegate system no in a particular constituency not a minority near 20%, the majority near 80%. Delegate system no there be a majority for no and a parliamentary candidate. Now mom this time because woman I do now mom this time near so be unconquerto abano ebino a boama minority in majority when you need to become a far general send none yet the nipa we kwa a babuaye. Notwithstanding so a majority or minority no obi biara who will be our decent or representing more parliamentary fatano yet to me to a demand. Now we use this previous system na yet delegates na nipa no de nisi kema wa eduabone and no me nyina etechire and again ni bia nso ni say woji obi sika no wan to amana ase why ebone enade ye bia ade no for both minority and majority. And I know can say one advantage and disadvantage. And say no correct. System be any advantages and disadvantages. Now mom delicate system in the disadvantages another also because say who you sue NPP at the example. So you sue NPP the example. Who bet to me who say what you pan presidential last election we say no the pacho ye wo nipa ba ku mienu miensa bi wo mu a o man ne town wo chi a yeso wo mu a nyansa ne ye bowodi every day. It is just because he cannot kutanintina or then yi pepper ko ye okofale so person stand election nibi na mo pa se ehwe animidifo within NPP na kasa nipa ba ku mienu miensa ya mempese mobodi nkanye wo mu ne bobo wodi nkanye wo mu de sikane na ama mu adane anyansafo ana wahia ana ma obi te se Dr. Ditchum na yemmo ni di wo mu kura because ni sikane nduru ba bia na mom sisia system no a ye de aban obi te se Bawumia Campaign Ghana ni bia ni so wo sika as against Ditchum no pacho 2032 no onyina ye. Because for 2022, your money will mean nothing, completely nothing. And now, the same person, or just ought to talk Ghana, I buy hotels, ought to talk buy hotels, a tier or minor, Susimono, or to be Kuriba baby third, or say baby, sir, MPP second or third after Bawumia, all because of the Sika. Next time, now, be a mono. And yet delegates kitwa be a woman with skill. MPP members in the whole country. Woman a bachelor so beer. Wunya may be president to cry to talk about properties. Now so be president there and say Jubilee House wo better, Temahabo wo better, wo the amount when we bushing for no na bachelor crofo bi as to whether so we standing presidential and answer mama we standing presidential no. A footue kasia de Mexico for a party more. Edura batuo bia na ya ka kire won se masa kobi o se ya meko Sammy wesika and what is said NPP pani bia kasa ya kasa waboa party no a na nya soma wabasom party na as minister na bi bisa na mo ni sika wode aboa party no. This thing must end in this country.
All right, lawyer ba kwa me di chat one san na wako enra me ya sure say what is court to see what the injunction Ato Apostle Kantanka na ye no eso but ye hu say ye ne kwaso a video say ye di adanse say ye no kwaso in cases like this na eya na susu aso an say because yet so no bo adwasa for say preparation na oye ye no eka wa bonya asem ketwa. That is the same argument and abusapanyi to park. Ede kwaji lumba de no ko ese wono so aboka. It is a court to a ye na hede na ese abusua no entua sa aka no enfama no. I think a similar one na asensi but this time around court grant injunction but so a year no kwaso.
Nyetia ne se court granted injunction na a year no kwaso a. Ni nyina anim ne se obi obu court anim tie bia de contempt na de chi no. Into the other fashion no omo de case court or the injunction akwakoto so no. Ana wo munim wo ma lawyer for yen ye adwuma enim. Wo ba kwa akotwitwa pictures wo ha video no ma. Di adance say opening no na yie na ye no. Number 2, injunction no enye yentumi fanto efunu no so emane yeye. Na mo injunction ni betia nipa bi specific nipa bi.
Okay.
Inti sa specific nipa na esa wo target wo yie na se. A wo be hu se wo fura ayitoma. Wo be hu se o te ba bi a kire se wo ye chief mona amba. Wunya saafo ne de a eno de wo betuma akwasa wo mu for contempt. Na bia nipa no se ye very very smart pa. Inti ni obeye ne se yie na se pa de opa o ma hobi. Enso na yie na ekoso. Inti wo court for contempt obeka se ye papa na yi o se ya anya yi o na mi mu ho hwe itini baby mi mu ho hwe sana eti
enti until san nipa ne sabeka summons no eno so wo susanso ana
susanso ka se pastor court ma ruling biara ne ya hwehwe wasabu ne ya hu a no so ruling na nya adwuma obeka imre bi election bi abesin kwa holiday bi sa judge bi baye order say yankwankwa serve president John Evans Atta Mills. Now serve letter commissioner unye Atta Mills na ye candidate Mills ono na original to abanti NPP for nkwahwehwe ne baby o bia na yen serve. Samle nipa na bono no wa na thousands of people etwa no ho ahia. Bailiff baye dan no watumi aben no. Ye realize ne number no etwem. Nti sanya wa suggestion dey abano. Court ye ruling wi a eno nche so ye court wakasa wi de aba papers mi ye wi dabi. Yes, nipa na affect one first and foremost. You to me the show once, and also they are this short period. The shusha no, the pombe to oba dodge usako simra. You be a year no, and to sad the affair be better said, dying been a year here. And then the assassin the woman so quite ye. But my uncle court was a really panwa ye, and no idea to me. They are published our newspapers. The CCA me no kase da ben nechina. Ukase wunyano na usa court. No afali court na yafre u case. Na ya empacha no edi ubesi Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But then near we no. Nini na mu na ye de se enye bibia. Se Ghana for bomb pie se. Apostle Staffo obaso ne man. No ye di pakase. Nyania efe eni se nechi aye basa se. Eno na se abusianfo no edi tu omufo se ne lumba de ye se the whole world aye prepared say ye boa ma lumba ye akoso ne aye ne fata ede ahye okuni na animunyam enso abusianfo ne akorafo ama wo ho kwan emira so so man ni beja say ye enye bibia se nipa no awu no ene ehu bra kase obobo man ne man ne ye nyina kabom ukura ne wi a bibia wo pesa wo ye say ye manso say nye manso nye ayie ne na ebetwa to mra bia mada say ye wantumi an stop sadi we ne ye ayie ne wi a wantumi nkoye mpacho mra bia ntisa nti ya na ye mfa buo mfa ma oman no say ya asore ne ye kuo no na fe yanya ne fata mfa ma nipa wo no nso ye kwa ye na yie ne ye wi a wo manso bia wo bia obetumi atwe medase
Lawyer no pay me dase.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.